Hello students, today we are going to study next combinational circuit, half subtractor. This is the combinational circuit and it has two inputs and two outputs, and that two outputs are difference and borrow as shown in a diagram. It produces the difference between two binary bits at the input and also produces an output borrow to indicate if one has been borrowed. In the subtraction A minus B, A is called as a minute bit and B is called as a subtracted bit. So block diagram of half subtractor, two inputs A and B and outputs difference that indicate as a D and borrow as indicated as a B0. Then truth table for the half subtractor, there are the two inputs A and B. These are the inputs and outputs difference and borrow. These are the outputs. There are the two conditions, so there are the possibilities are 4. 1 minus 0, 1, 1. 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Next 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0, borrow 0. This is the half subtractor. And this combinational circuit, for the combinational circuit, for designing there are the steps. First is the statement, second is the block diagram, and from the block diagram you have to design the truth table, and from the truth table you have to simplify the boolean expression, and for that simplification we use the K-map simplification method, and after that equation or boolean equation you have to realize that diagram. These are the steps for designing combinational circuit. This is the half subtractor, subtract the two binary bits, and there are the two inputs A and B and outputs difference and borrow. This is the truth table. From the truth table I have to design the equation. That equation for the difference, this is the, there are the two inputs, so we require the two variable structure. So there are the four boxes here. Input A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the A bar A, B bar B. For the difference, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, so we here put 0, 0, difference is 0, 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1, so here we put 0. A0, B1, so difference 1, so difference we put here. 1, 0. A1, B0, difference 1, so difference here 1. 1 minus A1, B1, A1, B1, so difference is 0. So their group is, that is isolated or single group. So equation for a difference is A bar B, A B bar. This is the equation of XOR gate. So this equation indicate A XOR B. This is the equation for difference. Next, for borrow equation, for borrow there require two variable structure, so boxes are the 4. Here is A input, B input, 0, 1, A bar A, 0, 1, this is a B bar and B. 0 minus 0, difference, borrow 0, so borrow here 0. 0 minus 1, A0, B1, A0, B1, borrow 1, so here 1. A1, B0, A1, B0, that borrow is 0, so here 1. A1, B1, borrow is 0, so here is a 0. That equation for borrow for this one as a single group, so that equation is A bar B. From this equation you have to design the diagram. And for that diagram we require the two variable structure, that equation, or you have to design or realize that equation from this boolean expression. So this is the equation for XOR. So this is the XOR gate. This is the XOR, A XOR B. So difference output as a XOR B. Then for borrow there is a bar B. So from A you have to take the not gate. For not gate, you have to give not gate input is A, so output is A bar produces, and that product here, so we require the AND gate. This is the A bar input. This is the A input for NOT gate. This produces A bar output, and that A bar output as the input of AND gate. Next, this is the B input. So output is for borrow A bar B. This is the realization of realization or diagram of half subtractor. This is the practical. Next, half adder and half subtractor. Next, in this one, another one point asked or question is asked, design using basic gates. Design using basic gates. So difference equation A bar B, A B bar, and this term is a XOR. Here we use the XOR gate directly because it reduces number of gates. So this equation as a we write as a in a XOR B. But this realize using basic gates, then only in diagram that basic gates are required. And borrow equation is a bar B. Borrow equation A bar B. So in diagram only require the basic gates. Basic gates are AND or NOT. A input, output produces as a bar. Next, for B input, we connect the NOT gate. B input, output as here B bar. So this term is A bar B. So this multiplication, here we connect A bar and this is from B input. So output of that AND gate is A bar B. Next term A B bar, that is a product term. So from input A is given and B bar. So output is A B bar, and that there is a addition, so require the OR gate. So we connect here OR gate. So output of difference is A bar B plus A B bar. This is the equation of we use the basic gates. And borrow equation, that is a A bar B. So there is a product term, so AND gate is required, and from input A bar, here is A bar and this is a B, so output is A bar B. This is the equation for borrow, that is a B0. That diagram we implement using basic gates. Another one question is asked, that half subtractor design using NAND gate. So that difference equation and borrow equation you have to implement in using only NAND gate. So difference equation A bar B, A B bar, that term as indicate as a XOR, A XOR B. So for difference equation you have to implement that diagram that in a NAND gate. So we convert that difference equation and borrow equation in the form of NAND gate. So for this difference equation you have to take the double inversion. Because we want this equation in the form of NAND gate. So difference equation A bar B plus A B bar, double inversion. For this single equation, that single term, you have to use the De Morgan's theorem. By De Morgan's theorem, that De Morgan's theorem is sum of complement. Sum of complement is equal to product of complement of each individual term. So this equation of NAND gate, this equation of difference we convert in the form of NAND form. So for this single inversion you have to use this law. So that for this term, this term is indicated as A bar B bar into A B bar, and another one is the complete bar. So there is a one complete bar. This is the equation for difference. This is the equation. This is the De Morgan's. Sum of complement is equal to product of complement of each individual term. For this single inversion you have to use this De Morgan's theorem, and that equation is A bar B complete bar, A B bar, and one complete bar. And borrow equation as A bar B. So take the double inversion. That equation we want in the form of NAND gate. So we take the double inversion of that equation. B0 is A bar B double bar. So diagram is in the form of NAND gate. So in diagram only use the NAND gates. Here NAND gate acts as a inverter. So A input is given, output is A bar, and for NAND gate we connect the B input, output as a B bar. In this diagram, this implementation using only NAND gate. So in the diagram we use only NAND gate, and this NAND gate acts as a here in this half subtractor using NAND gate. In this their NAND gate acts as a here inverter. So this equation A bar, this B input. So output of that equation A bar B bar, this term. Next term A B bar, output of A B bar bar, and there is one complete bar, so we connect one another NAND gate. So complete equation for difference is A bar B into A B bar, one bar, one, and one complete bar, and one complete bar. This is the difference equation. And borrow equation, double inversion. So there is a bar, so input is in A bar, sorry, from here, and B input, so here is connected. Output of that NAND gate is A bar B single bar. This is the single bar for, and this output we connect to next NAND gate. So output of that A bar B double bar. This is the equation for borrow. This is the